Student, if you are tired of wasting hours on assignment, notes, and research, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you the top 3 free AI tools for students in 2025. That will literally save you time, boost your productivity, and even help you write better. First up, ChatPDF.com. This tool turns any boring PDF into a smart chat assistant. Upload your textbook, research paper, or class notes, and instead of reading 100 pages, you can just ask questions like summarize chapter 3 or explain this in simple words. It's like having a tutor inside your PDF. Next, we have Notion AI. It's completely free for students and perfect for taking smarter notes. Imagine typing half a sentence and Notion AI finishes it for you, or asking it to summarize your messy notes into a study guide. You can also organize assignments, create calendars, and even prep flashcards. And now let's go to number 3, Grammarly. Yes, it's been around, but in 2025, Grammarly AI has upgraded big time. Not only does it fix your grammar, but it now suggests rewrite, explains mistakes, and even gives tool adjustments. So your essay don't just pass, they stand out research, Notion AI for productivity, and Grammarly for writing. They are absolutely free, powerful, and designed to save you hours every week. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow AI Toolkit today for more AI hacks that save you time. Thank you.